Good morning, it's Sunday, and we're making a sorbet that is so pretty it could have its own gallery show. Think golden roasted peaches, deep purple blackberries, and a floral lemon verbena swirl. It's all dairy-free, silky, and absolutely scoopable. It's summer in a container, but with less sweat and more applause. Let's make Peach Blackberry Sorbet.
Peach sunshine meets blackberry jam in a silky, scoopable sorbet with a bright lemon verbena ribbon. It tastes like biting into a ripe peach while someone hands you a spoonful of blackberry preserves. Sweet and tart take turns, the floral note lifts everything, and the finish is clean and refreshing. This is Peach Blackberry Sorbet.
We're going to start out by making the lemon verbena syrup. This is the part that ties it all together. It's bright, floral, and just sweet enough to keep everything smooth. And if you're the type of person that likes to taste a spoonful or 3 before you put it in the refrigerator, I fully support that.
Sugar hits the pot, a drizzle of honey, rich and golden. In goes corn syrup for smoothness. Water joins, then just a pinch of salt to wake it all up. Stir until everything's glossy. Onto the stove, let it all melt together. Off the heat, and in goes the verbena leaves. Cover it up to steep into syrup.
This recipe has 2 different bases. It doesn't matter which one you make first, but I'm gonna start with the peach one first. Now I only wanna roast 1/3 of the peaches because I really want that crisp, fresh peach taste. But roasting kind of helps concentrate the flavor and remove some of that water content to make the sorbet a little bit smoother. Let's start with the peach base.
We're doing it right this time and blanching the peaches so the skin slips right off, leaving nothing but sunshine flesh. A quick chop, and 1/3 of them head to the oven, dusted with granulated sugar and roasted until just caramel kissed. The rest go raw straight into the blender. Roasted peaches join in and a pour of that verbena syrup. Blend until it's velvet. A pinch of xanthan gum for scoopability, then blend again, strained for the smoothest base, and off to chill.
Next up, the blackberry base. We're gonna blend our blackberries with lemon juice and strain out all of those seeds. We want this puree to be as smooth as possible so our sorbet is nice and smooth.
Blackberries straight into the blender with a splash of lemon juice and the rest of the verbena syrup. Blended smooth into a deep purple pour. Strained clean, no seeds, just velvet, then tucked away to chill.
It's time to churn. That magical moment where our beautiful fruit purees actually turn into sorbet. I can't wait.
Blackberry puree goes in first, a pool of deep purple swirling to life, then the peach, golden and bright, taking its turn in the churn. The machine hums, working its magic, turning fruit into silk. One by one, I scoop them out, purple, gold, both gleaming. They meet in the container, spoonful by spoonful, layered like stained glass. A quick swirl, just enough for drama, not enough to lose the contrast, lid on and off to the freezer. Hours later, the reveal, and out comes ribbons of sunset, a swirl of gold and purple, cool and dazzling.
Okay, hold the applause because this might be the best sorbet I've ever made. It actually took me a really long time to perfect this because I just couldn't get the purees right to make a good, solid sorbet. But now, she's perfect. She's almost too pretty to eat, but that's never stopped me before. So I'm gonna enjoy her, and I'll see you next Sunday.